Hello, and welcome to another update video about Coinbase. Yeah, on the Coinbase chart, it goes according to plan. We have two wave counts here, yeah, and I'll also tell you which one is my favorite. First of all, both are bullish at the moment, okay? It will only turn bearish below $39. Down here, we're currently at 73, so there's significant drawdown still possible. The main scenario is actually that this here was a wave one, the move between January and February. Then we had a corrective move down, but that's not a wave two. That's basically the alternative count. The main scenario suggests this was an A wave. The move up, a high B wave. And the move down now is in the white wave count, a C wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a C wave of wave 2. I don't say it has to come down that low, but $39 is support. So we have to give it room, yeah? It has to have room until then. It doesn't need to come down that low, absolutely not. Maybe into the 40, low $50 range, possibly. The upper yellow box there is for the alternative wave count. It's just the support area that the price is in at the moment. So the yellow wave count, you could argue, is actually the alternative. Let me just move that away. So the yellow wave count suggests that we had an even more bullish 1-2, 1-2 setup. In this scenario, the price formed two wave ones. It's not the preferred scenario because this move up is slightly too long for a reliable 1-2, 1-2 setup. And also the move up is a questionable impulse. Could also be counted as I said, a high B wave. And then on the move down, you know, based on this price action to the downside currently, it is, in my opinion, suggestive of a deeper pullback. So we talked about it, about these support levels here between $73 and $56 in previous videos. We had in the yellow count an A wave to the downside, a B wave up, and we could now be in the C wave. That's been the expectation for a while. We have two short trade areas in the chart. They were both triggered several times successfully. But I have a problem with the yellow wave count because the A wave was very long. That's not a problem as such, but the B wave was very short. Okay, so because the B wave was so short, the C wave is likely running out of space. And this is not a very reliable wave count I have here because it's an ending diagonal at best. But also here it reacted to our wave 4 resistance area I presented in one of the last videos. Either way, you know, it's now in support, but it should go lower. You know, wave A and wave C have typically a Fibonacci relationship, and the wave A and the C often have the same length. Now the wave C would be too short. So if we do that and to say, okay, what's the length of the A wave? Then we go to the high of the B. So 54.80 would be a key target there. You know, from a Fibonacci extension point of view, maybe even all the way down to $41.36 because that's the 1.618 extension, which would fit better into the interpretation in the white wave count, which is this, which suggests the move down initially was a wave 1. The move up was not a B wave, but a wave 2. So basically they are mirror counts. They move together. They will depart down there somewhere because in the yellow count, the correction will be in at some point here between $65 and 56, whereas in the white wave count, we should see one more lower high, and then we should see one more lower low. And based on the white count, we're currently in a third wave. It is an ABC structure because we're dealing in the white wave count with a diagonal. Basically, the move down here of the wave 2 high that was made in August, the move down was an A wave, 3 waves. The move up was a B wave, and the move down now is a C wave. Could be also a 5-wave move that's unfolding here in an ending diagonal. So it's quite a complex count, but it's coming together nicely. And so far the wave count has guided as well. We should still come down lower. That's the current expectation over the coming weeks. And against the last swing high that was made in our resistance area here, we should, or I do focus on lower at the moment. That's my update about Coinbase. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. We also now launched our stocks and shares service. Coinbase isn't part of it. I will continue to cover Coinbase here on this channel, but we have 20 stocks that we cover regularly in that service, plus the S&P 500 on a daily basis. Plus there are some other extras, so you can check it out. The link is in the video description just below the video. Check it out if you're interested. If not, that's fine as well. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.